a pasta dish for later in the week. I'm just making a little pasta casserole, something that's easy. It's a Monday. I am gonna go have some fun. Gonna put this in the oven in a few minutes. We're cooking our pasta. I wanted to get some marinated mozzarella balls, but I couldn't actually find them at the store. So I bought a large, oven's ready, and a large mozzarella ball. We're gonna cut this up. It's just fresh mozzarella. There's a big difference in the texture. All right, we're back. Got the pasta cooked. Sauces have thawed out. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a pasta dish. All right, and we're gonna need about a little more than 16 ounces. So there's 16. And about a quarter. Alright, just going to mix that up. Going to be saucy, saucy, saucy. Then I'm going to stir in these cheesy chunks. And basic pasta dish, just something you can put in the fridge at the beginning. You know, you can make a couple of these at the beginning of the week. If you're busy at work and you don't have a lot of time. All right, so just pretty basic pasta, the sauce. I cut little large chunks now. Just kind of lay them around the top. Make it look pretty. Lost my direction there. Here we go. All right. Put this in the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven for about an hour and a half, mainly because I've lowered the temperature down to 275. The only reason I did that is I'm going to go hang out outside. This is going to slow cook. Come back and eat it later. It'll be nice and creamy on top and creamy inside with all that cheese. And if you want it browned and toasted, all you gotta do before you pull it out is turn the oven off and turn the broiler on and pop the door open just a little bit. All that does is turn the heat from the bottom to the top and you get a nice crust on top. Not required, only if you want to get it brown on top. Pop this in the oven. I'm going to go hang out outside, hopefully get this body a little tan, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, we've taken it out of the oven. Beautiful pasta dish, get a little garnish on it. Looks great. Nice and crusted, dry crust on top. Let's garnish it with a little fresh basil leaves. I got some fresh oregano on there. Then we're just going to put a lid on this and store it in the oven, and then we come home from work later this week. Remember, this is Feed Your Brother. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, get the ding ding ding, and get updated every time we update our